Chapter 3, Get to know SVISION. SVISION is a powerful and user-friendly maintenance application designed to help you organize, plan, and optimize maintenance management within your company. The maintenance module simplifies management like never before. With SVISION, you can easily create, control, and monitor work orders. Manage company assets across various sectors. Plan all maintenance activities efficiently and much more. Spare parts inventory. Every detail in this module is crafted for professional control over your spare parts. You can manage inventory within the warehouse. Check the availability of spare parts. Utilize auxiliary tools for support. Schedule alerts for stock levels or supply needs, among other features. Tool Control Module. This module helps you organize and maintain up-to-date information regarding tools, equipment, devices, and instruments in each employee's possession. The Database and User Manager module enables users to create, manage, and maintain databases for all programs. Additionally, it allows for user account management and their corresponding security licenses, which dictate the actions that can be performed within the programs. The Request Manager module is where the maintenance manager can review all requests submitted to them and decide whether or not to register them in SVISION. It is crucial to keep applicants informed about the status of their applications.